The reality is I've been doing employment law for over 20 years. I work for one of the largest organizations in relation to employment law, which would just specialize in employment law, and built up my skill set. I've worked with very large organizations and individuals, and I've worked with both in relation to audits that have been investigated by the Fair Work Ombudsman. So I've been involved with Fair Work Ombudsman reviews. I've been involved with Fair Work Ombudsman prosecutions. I know how they think. I know what they're looking for. And I've done audits to obtain undertakings, to assist clients to ensure that they're not falling foul, or if they're in trouble, dealing with those issues. I think that experience brings a lot of insight in terms of how to do an audit, what's being looked at in an audit, how to deal with the outcomes of an audit. I mean, the worst case scenario is that your client ends up having an underpayment, and it can be a very large underpayment, as we know, we've seen in the news. What do you do with that information then? Oh my God, I've got an underpayment. What do you do? And my experience in terms of having 20 years of experience in the industry, working in this area alone every day, I know the awards. I know most of the awards, back to front. I know how they apply. Makes me well placed to do this. Sapphire Legal is very much a boutique firm. We only do employment law. That's all we do. We have 4 very strong lawyers and a lot of support staff. We have 2 senior solicitors, myself and Dean Tolkien, and we're also part of a bigger organization called Key Point Law. And so we just have the resources that can really provide all of the benefits I've described to the client who wants to do a wage audit, from the wage audit to the report and the advice, and helping their clients should there be a big issue.